So the suspension is done on the car. I did the camber plates, the toe arms, the rear toe arms, the front adjustable toe arms, and the caster bushings. Front toe arms are also the bump steer kit. So when you turn the wheel now, full lock, it doesn't hop. Shouldn't hop around in corners. Overall feels really good. The video itself that I made, I had a friend over that was washing his car and working on his car, so I was back and forth. I didn't really do much talking. The camber plates that I'm about to show you now. It was such a simple, straightforward install that it was so quick, I could barely make it into a video, so that's why I'm adding all of this in right now. Not that you can feel these improvements or things on the street that much, but they do feel great, what you can feel. It's minimal on the street, much more noticeable on track, but it does feel more direct, more planted. You know, you get rid of a little bit of rubber in the suspension, so it just feels a bit more planted and you have a better feel for the road. So I'm just gonna go up here. This is the road behind my house. I'm gonna go up here and turn around. They're doing a lot of construction right now, so. I'll get another video one day soon with the microphone on the outside of the car, because I know that's probably a lot more interesting than me talking, but I can't go very fast on this road anyway. Well, not legally and not being able to do so without being caught because all the construction. There's a lot of cops on here now, but there's a little inside the cabin sound, at least. And this is on the Osmo Pocket 3. Oh, about to pass a friend. You'll see it in the mirror, in the camera. There you go, 992. 992 friend.